It took me 2 months to complete this painting. It was challenging. I learned things about myself as an artist, letting go of old expectations and trying a new approach. I've used many methods in the past, like layering, texture, removing and adding intense color. This canvas has awakened me to a different way of living in the process. I became immersed in the moment. I was now dancing with light and color. This painting has taught me to listen to my heart.
All of me in this big canvas. Yes. Woo! I have no idea what this is going to be. I'm creating different textures, and I love texture. I feel like I'm massaging a beautiful body here. I love using the Bombay ink, and then I enjoy removing. And as you remove, you're creating more depth and more dimension. Like this little part here could be a little work of art just by itself. So I'm going to continue to do a little more of that. So I love where this is going, and I'm going to continue with it and see where it goes. I realize that there's some darkness here, as it is in our lives, and I will carry it through to the light. I find that the process is more important than the end result. We have to create in the moment and enjoy each step. I don't know what the end result will be, and I really don't want to know what the end result will be. So I like to go with the flow. Buttery and yummy it is. Ah, I love it. The reason I use my hands is because I don't want to see the brush strokes sometimes, and I want to be able to spread the ink out. So this part here is all coffee grounds. And then I decided to play with the white. And now we're going to cover up some of the white parts because I just thought maybe it's a little too much white.